My name's Ian Schoots.
I'm Adam Paterson, together with the founders of the Australian Importing Club.
So at the workshop we'll show you how to import from China, how to sell on Amazon, how to sell on eBay, and how to sell online successfully in general.
Something like this, it shows us things that we could never even imagine.
We're going to show you our step-by-step system that allowed Ian to make an extra $100,000 a year income in just his first year of importing, and he was able to do that part-time. We're going to show you how to source the best suppliers in China. We're going to show you how to get the low minimum order quantity. We're going to show you how to get the rock bottom prices from your Chinese supplier from only verified and reputable Chinese suppliers.
The amount of information that you learn is just, you can't put a price on it. It's just fantastic.
I'm going to show you how to make an income literally while you sleep. Online selling is 24 hours a day. You'll wake up in the morning with more money in your bank account than when you went to sleep. It's how it works.
What have you got to lose? I mean, it's just information you're gaining and inspiration, and obviously there's so many like-minded people here. We're all sharing information, and there's a real buzz about the what's to come, basically.
So click on the link and we'll see you at our next workshop.